Converting pounds to kilograms or lbs to kg in Excel feels like switching gears from imperial to metric. Smooth, quick, and accurate. All you need is a simple formula in Excel that is called convert function, and then boom, your weight value turns into clean, precise kg numbers, perfect for fitness reports, shipping data, or any dataset where accuracy truly matters. So here how you can do that. Use the convert function, put the equal signs and use convert and open the bracket. Select the cells which is the LPS and comma and double quote and use LBM, that is stand for pounds, abbreviations, double quote, comma, double quote, and use kg, abbreviation for the kilograms, double quote, and close the bracket and hit enter. So 10 lbs is equal to 4.53592 and use the fill handle to find the other values, and 20 lbs is equal to 9.07185 and 50 lbs is equal to 22.67962 kg and 100 lbs equal to the 45.35925 kg. So make sure in 1 lbs equal to the 0.453592. So you can easily simple a multiplication formula. So for this you need to put the equal sign and select the lbs column and multiply 0.453592 and hit enter. And here you need to increase the decimals. And this is what use the fill handle and drag the other values. So this way you can easily find lbs to kg, and this is the most direct and commonly used method. Excel also provides a built-in conversion function. So Excel will automatically convert pounds to kilogram using accurate conversions values. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.